that was something that I thought a lot about. Is that like I can't imagine not writing about politics and not writing about history because like why would I not? You know what I mean? Like I can't imagine. It's just like such a big part of our lives, and it's what I care about so much. But I do think that like and someone was asking me this the other day, and I thought a lot about it afterward. That I think that I have a problem with political fiction. That feels like someone's trying to like put across a certain message and is trying to to sway readers to a certain to a certain side, and I think I wonder if that's also like kind of an American thing about me because I think that like in a lot of places you don't really have that choice. You know what I mean? And it's like I think about or I think about so many of I think about my character in The Quietest Man, and I think about people like Isaac Babel, where it was like you're going to be killed for what you write, so make it matter. But I feel like for me, it's like, it's the distinction between writing about politics and writing political fiction that distinction feels really important to me because I feel like I'm able to write about politics, but have it come so much through my characters. And that becomes, in a sense, like what feels more important to me to do. But it's such an interesting thing to think about. Like I have a friend who's a writer from Zimbabwe, and she was talking about how, or no, someone was asking me about her, and I was thinking about how, like, when you're from certain places, everyone assumes that your work is political, even if it's totally domestic, and it's just like a really interesting distinction.
Yeah, I think that a lot of contemporary Eastern European writers have that, and many of them have very successfully done stories and novels that explore the transition and all of that, all of the crazy that it entails. But in many ways, yeah, I feel like they have been limited, at least in the way people interpret the work, the way people read the work.
I think it's really true. Yeah, I think people are really searching for it when writing about certain places, which is interesting. And just to me, I mean, I think about so many of the writers that I consider political, but the ones who have been the most meaningful to me, and I think about Isaac Babel or Grace Paley or James Baldwin or, Doris Lessing.
Okay.
And I feel like for me, like, yeah, you can feel their politics, but you can feel their love and compassion for their characters more than anything.